Hi, my name's 𝘄𝘄𝘄. We're talking about some of Flipro's favourite projects, and today's project is out in Bendigo. Okay, so one of our projects was out in Bendigo. Very experienced flipper, if you like. I think this gentleman had been involved with over 30 projects over 30 years and was certainly very experienced in regard to where he was doing his work. Had spent a lot of time up in Queensland doing projects up there and decided to come back to Bendigo, which was his hometown where he was originally born and bred, to see if he could make do with some projects down there. And I think one of the things that is quite interesting about that scenario is that it highlights Flipro's ability to really go anywhere. In other words, we will partner with you wherever you are in Australia. If the project makes sense and you are in a reasonably, classified or reasonably classed area as far as residential real estate goes, we will partner with you. It's quite unlikely that you'll find anybody else that might be based in Melbourne that will partner with you up in Townsville, for instance, because people just don't know the market properly. In this case, we're obviously based in Melbourne. Our person was based in Bendigo. We were more than happy to get involved with him after seeing his experience and seeing the sorts of work that he'd previously done in the past. Now, this particular project, we were actually involved in the acquisition stage. We had previously done a renovation with him. We were satisfied with his level of works, we were satisfied with his level of risk. It was a very good project, it was profitable, and we then assisted him in his next acquisition. He'd run a couple of things by us that we weren't so happy about, just in regard to location, and we just thought there were better opportunities out there for him to get involved with based on the amount of capital that he had available. He selected a property which was a 3-bedroom home for $270,000 acquisition price, added an extra bedroom to it. I think the renovation budget was approximately $60,000, and the property ended up selling for $425,000. The whole thing was turned around within a 4-month period, sold and settled within 6 months, and certainly another very happy customer. So in this scenario, it wasn't necessarily about getting the right agent or the right strategy for this project. It was really more about helping this client get access to the capital that he needed, because he was self-employed, he was at a difficult age, his credit wasn't fantastic, and we were able to turn things around for him very, very quickly. And he didn't need any assistance with getting the right agent or the right strategy due to his experience, but he did need somebody to look through the potential hurdles in regard to financing and give him the right solution. And there is another example of how at Flipro we can look through the hurdles and partner with you in the project to get the best result.